Welcome to Pindar Poetry. We hope you learned something new.
You start by making sure both devices share the same Apple ID. This is how photos sync. On the iPhone, enable iCloud Photos so originals or optimized versions upload automatically. Once done, open iCloud for Windows or the Photos app on your Mac and sign in. This links the laptop to iCloud. Make sure Wi-Fi is active and the phone is plugged or has enough battery. Without these, large libraries stall. Now wait for initial upload indicators before moving on. Once the phone uploads, validate by looking for cloud icons beside images or an upload progress bar. This confirms syncing. On your laptop, open iCloud Photos in Finder, Mac, or the iCloud app /Photos on Windows to see incoming items. If you want specific images, create a new album on the iPhone and add only chosen photos. Albums also sync. Make sure Optimize iPhone storage won't keep originals off the device if you need full resolution copies on the laptop. To finish, select photos or albums in iCloud Photos on your laptop and choose Download Originals or Export to a local folder. This ensures full resolution files. After download, move images to your preferred directory and make a backup to an external drive or cloud service so nothing is lost. If items don't appear, sign out and back into iCloud, toggle iCloud Photos off and on both devices, and ensure both are on the same Wi-Fi. That single troubleshooting step resolves most sync hangups.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.